Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, mark wallpapers and choose the one that you want to apply. You can also select something from your gallery or just scroll here. You can also enroll more wallpapers and search for online pictures to cover your screen with, but let me pick one from the current options here, for example this one. Now you can customize it, so let me zoom it a bit like this, then mark apply and decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Let me set it on both, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it, it has been done. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.